National Weather Service in Austin, San Antonio has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kendall County, northwestern Bexar County, Comal County, until 9 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:19 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Fair Oaks Ranch, or near Bernie, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Oh, that's really close.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include San Antonio, New Braunfels, Church, Universal City, Live Oak, Bernie, Selma, San Antonio International Airport, Canyon Lake Dam, Leon Valley, Helotes, Alamo Heights, Fair Oaks Ranch, Windcrest, Canyon Lake, Terrell Hills, Bulverde, Shamano Park, Garden Ridge and Hollywood Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service